Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an effective poster utilizing the Canva online platform. The first step is to navigate over to the Canva platform. Once you arrive to the main screen, you're going to see a plus create button on the left. Please navigate to the button and click when you're ready to begin. Once you click on the create button, you're going to see a search bar. In the search bar, please type poster. A few options are going to pop up. Please select the one that you'd like to use for your poster. The Canva platform is going to present you with a blank page, or you can start by choosing one of the provided templates. As you can see, the platform has a lot of pre-made templates. Be aware the ones that have a crown icon are for premium users only. For this example, we will select the first template that pops up. Once the template has loaded, it is time to start working on your poster. You may want to start by thinking about a good title to have for your poster. Remember that when somebody looks at your poster, the title is often the first thing they see, so make sure that the title is good and catchy. After working on your title, it's a good idea to clean up your poster early in the creation process in order to avoid unnecessary clutter and confusion. Next, after you've cleaned up your poster, it is a great idea to have some key ideas and points underneath your title in just a few supporting sentences. If you're doing a climate change poster, a few of these sentences could include a call to action as well. Taking the time to make these few sentences very impactful will help to elevate the impact level of the poster that you're creating. It is now time to think of any additional key points that you want to include in your poster. For example, in this section, you may want to address some key problems to the point you're trying to get across. Make sure to also include supporting evidence and details to these key problems in order for the reader to understand their significance within your poster. Now, it is a good time to think about adding figures and images to your poster. Go over to the Elements tab. You can type in to search elements or use your recent function. For this example, I'm going to be introducing a tree to this poster from the scroll down menu. Make sure to resize and place your images appropriately within your poster as well. Having a good balance of colors within your poster will help it stand out amongst the crowd. As a next step, if your poster is trying to convey a lot of messages, it is okay to copy and paste figures from your poster to help you further expand on your ideas and key points. You may choose to have a why care section or another take action section, respectively. While on the topic of copy and pasting, you can also copy and paste various figures within the poster template. As you can see, I'm doing just that with the oil drums within this template. If you happen to not be satisfied with the amount of pre-given text boxes within your template, you can always go to the left side and add a text box. Make sure to size it appropriately based on the amount of text and size that you have within your poster. Within these text boxes, you may choose to write additional points or key statistics with respect to your topic that you're covering. Make sure to place these strategically within your poster framework in order to maximize their impact. Now it is a good time to zoom out on your poster and have a moment of review. Make sure your title's good, your key ideas and facts are where they're supposed to be, you're happy with the images and figures of your poster. And now we will transition to a fully finished poster utilizing this template so you can see what your poster should look like once you're done. Here is how this template will look like once your poster is finished. As we can see, let's run through our checklist. We have a good title, we have supporting details and facts, and we have a good amount of images, key points, and figures as well. Additionally, as this is a climate change poster, there is a clear take action section where you can find out what are some of the ways to engage with the prompts of the poster. Therefore, if you follow the steps provided in this video and base your poster off of the following checklist, you will have a very easy time when it comes to creating your poster utilizing the online Canva platform. I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe for more content just like this.